Hello, I'm really excited today to unbox with you guys the little gels. Yeah, we have 40 pieces and I can't wait to try them out. Oh my god. See how it looked like. Very demure, very cutesy. See the cover, it's so attractive, you can't resist. I'm already dreaming the colors I'm gonna try out. Like, I can't wait. Let's open and see what we have inside. So I'm removing the seal. This is me trying and I finally did it. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. You see how they look like? They are so cute. Oh my god, imagine you get surprised to these things. Oh, this one you can't resist, and you're going to get yours because why not? I mean, doing nails here is so expensive, but doing yourself is so easy. So look at the excitement I have. Oh my god, I can't wait. You can see they're really cute and we have so many different colors which I can't wait to try.